Well, stick it in. Oh. Yeah, right in there. Do it like you've been practicing. Put the in. That's right. Put this in there. Put your juice. Oh. Yeah, you put that in there. That's good. Eat it. Yum. Yum. No. You gonna show them how you can stand it up all by yourself? Show them how you do it. That's right. Put it in. Yeah.